The topic of discussion in this video is percentage composition. This topic is generally discussed in class 10th of ICSE board. Okay, now I'm going to start this topic. How will we find a percentage composition? This video is totally a numerical based video. Now, for example, if we have a compound Na2CO3 and it is asked to us, you have to find a percentage composition of sodium, percentage composition of carbon and percentage composition of oxygen. Okay, in the given compound. How will you find that? In order to find a percentage composition of the elements which are present in this element, we first step, we find the molecular weight. Now, molecular weight of sodium, as you know, it is 23. For carbon, this is 12. And for oxygen, this is 16. Okay. Firstly, we find the molecular weight of the whole compound. Now, what is the compound? Na2CO3. Okay. Now, we have to find the molecular weight of the Na2CO3. Now, Na, we have 2 atoms. So, we multiply 2 with the atomic weight of sodium, which is 23. Then we write plus. Now, in the carbon, we have 1 atom. So, 1, the atomic weight of carbon is 12. Now, 3 atoms, atomic weight of oxygen is 16. Clear? We have 2 atoms in sodium, 2 atomic weight 23. We use atomic weight, not atomic number of the element. Okay. Now this is 6, this is 4, this is 12, this is 48. And ultimately what we got, 8, 2, 10, 116, 4, 4, 8, 1, 9, 110, 106. This is the molecular weight of the given compound Na2CO3. Now we find separately the percentage composition of sodium, carbon and oxygen. Now just watch on the blackboard. Percentage composition of sodium. Atomic weight of element. Atomic weight of given compound into 100. Now for the sodium, atomic weight, as I told you, that is 23. Now atomic weight of the compound is 106. And there are 2 atoms of sodium. So into 2. Clear? Atomic weight of sodium and 2 atoms of sodium. So 2 upon 106 into 100. Okay. Now solve it. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 106 into 100. Now solve it and tell me the answer. Its answer is 43.4 and write down percentage. Clear? Similarly, we find the percentage of carbon. We have total atomic weight 106 of the compound. Clear? Now for the carbon, how will we find? .4%. Now the percentage of carbon. Now atomic weight of carbon is 12. Atomic weight of the element, that is 12. Net atomic weight 106 into 100. Now solve and find out. Similarly, because here only 1 atom is present, see, we only multiply it with 1. Now percentage of oxygen, we have 16, atomic weight of 16 and 3 atoms, that is 3 into 106 into 100. Now find out all the answers. You will got for carbon 11.3% and for oxygen you will got 45.3%. So this is the whole process. How will you find the percentage composition? Don't skip the video. I am also going to explain you another pattern of the question, and from which we also have to find the percentage composition. So firstly, just remember atomic weight of the element, for which we have to find the percentage composition upon the molecular weight into 100. Before going to explain that video, I also want to convey some message with you. If you want to join one-to-one coaching with me, you just download the app of Class Plus with the title Sonika Anand Academy, and the teacher code is UGBKNE. I will write the teacher's code and the app link in the description box. Now the next question is on the blackboard. Observe the question carefully. Sample has 30% ethyl alcohol and rest being water. There is a sample in which 30% is ethyl alcohol and rest being water. That means there is 70% of water in it. After that, we have to find the percentage of carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. One thing more, formula for ethyl alcohol is C2H5OH and formula for water is H2O. Clear? So, how will we find it? Here, firstly, what we found? We found the first step, the molecular weight. We firstly find the molecular weight of the ethyl alcohol, not of water. So, first step, molecular weight. C2H5OH. I think you know how to find. 12 into 2 plus 5 into 1 plus 16 plus 1. What we have? 24, 5, 16 plus 1. 4, 5, 29, 30. That is 46. Clear? Now, carbon is present only here, not here. Okay? Now, first one, percentage of carbon. Atomic weight of carbon is 12. Here it is 2. Total molecular weight 46 into 100. This is our main formula. Atomic weight, molecular weight into 100. But it is also given 30% of ethyl alcohol. So we write 30 into 100. Both 100 get cancelled. Clear? Now you solve it. When you solve, you will get the answer 15.65%. Okay? Clear? हमारा क्या फॉर्मूला था? Atomic weight of carbon 2 atoms, तो 2 आ गया upon 46 into 100. But it is given 30%. So we also multiply with 30 by 100. Now we have to find the percentage of hydrogen and percentage of oxygen. For the percentage of hydrogen and oxygen, here is also hydrogen and oxygen and there is also hydrogen and oxygen. So we find the percentage of hydrogen and oxygen in ethyl alcohol and also in water, and then we add both the percentage and then we get the answer. Now I am going to explain you how will you do that. Firstly, I am going to find the percentage of hydrogen in ethyl alcohol. Okay. Now, how many hydrogens are present? 5, 1, 6. This 5 and this is 1. 6. And atomic weight of hydrogen is 1. Total molecular weight is 46 into 100 into 30 by 100. Okay. It get cancelled. When we solve, we get the answer 3.91%. Okay. Now, percentage of hydrogen in water. Here we have two atoms, 2 into 1. Molecular weight of water is 18. 2 ones are 2 plus 16. Molecular weight of water, 2 plus 16, that is 18. Clear? So 18. Oh, sorry. 18 into 100. Now, ethyl alcohol is 30% and water is 70%. So we multiply it with 70%. Get cancelled. 140 by 80. When you solve, you get the answer 7.78. So total percentage present in hydrogen in ethyl alcohol and both in water, we have to add both the quantities. So total percentage of hydrogen is what? 3.91 plus 7.78. 819, 9716, and it is 11. So percentage of hydrogen which is present in this compound, we write over here, percentage of hydrogen is 11.69%. I hope you understand clearly and you can easily find the percentage of oxygen. And I am also going to solve the percentage of oxygen for both the cases. Watch over here. Do it yourself. I am also doing on the blackboard. Okay? Do it in your notebook. Percentage of oxygen in water, percentage of oxygen in this. So oxygen 1 molecule, that is 60 over 46. Molecular weight of ethyl alcohol is 46 into 100 into 30 by 100. Okay, and here what we get? 1 molecule 16, molecular weight 18 into 100 and 70 over 100. Both the cases you find the answers, then add up both of them. The answer here is 10.43% and here the answer is 62.22%. So overall percentage of oxygen is what? 10.43 plus 62.22%. We get 235, 426, 2 and 7. That is percentage of oxygen is 72.65%.